Hi, Dr. Alfred Marquez here with Marquez Integrative Dental. And it's that time of the year, back to school, so we've got some back to school tips as it applies to dental. And we'll go over a few things that you as parents might be concerned about and things that can help your child. Now, one of the first things is to understand that back to school doesn't mean dental neglect. Dental treatment, dental care should continue because disease is continuous. We need to manage it, we need to control it. And like anything else, the earlier we intervene, the earlier we catch things, the easier it is to treat. And more simple, we're able to help with various things from sealants to fluoride to prevent bigger problems from developing. Have your dental exam done. If x-rays need to be taken, you can take them. There's ways that we're actually doing examinations without and able to detect decay more effectively, even reducing x-rays and the need for x-rays. So we're excited about that. Our goal then is to create a healthier child and one that's not going to develop dental problems as time goes on. So keep up with dental care, keep up with your dental appointments. That's important. Good brushing, good flossing. Don't let that keep you from flossing and brushing the way that you should. Ideally, we'd recommend 2 to 3 times a day brushing and maybe flossing once a day. For sure in the morning before you go to school, you should brush and floss. Why? Who doesn't want a fresh breath when you're around your friends? And certainly your teachers will be appreciative of that too. So brushing, flossing, important when you're at school and you can't brush and floss. Well, get yourself some water, swish after you eat, swallow, get rid of some of the bugs, the bacteria that's up in there, and that's going to help you along. What about snacks? What about lunches? What do we do about that? What's a healthy snack? What's unhealthy? Sometimes we'll think, well, I'm going to do granola bars, I'm going to do potato chips, I'm going to do crackers, and every now and then that's okay. But if you make that a regular thing, you're getting too much starch, you're getting too much sugar, it's going to affect your teeth, and it's not so much the quantity that affects us in as much it is the frequency. The more often you expose your teeth to those challenges, then it can become an issue, can be a problem. So what do? Well, colorful vegetables, carrots, celery, do nuts, do cheese squares, maybe little cheddar cheese squares. All of these things can be more beneficial, more helpful to your health as well as to your teeth. Should I pack juice in lunches? Well, in my opinion, you should stay away from juices because most of the juices that we get are loaded with high fructose corn syrup, and that affects our dental health tremendously. Not just our dental health, but it also affects our entire body. There's a lot of research coming out suggesting that high fructose corn syrup is not a good thing for us to consume, and probably is responsible for a lot of inflammatory diseases that we're seeing today. So you want to be cautious. Fruit juice, every now and then, okay, fine, but every meal I wouldn't recommend that. Or maybe if you get a juice, maybe dilute it a little bit with water. Have plain milk, maybe tea. If you can get used to it with just a little bit of lemon, great. If you have to sweeten it, try stevia. Different things like that. Again, healthy snacks, everything from nuts to colorful vegetables is beneficial. If your child's in sports, especially contact sports, you need to get them into a good mouth guard. mouth guards will reduce significantly brain trauma, brain concussions. We've heard more and more about how bad concussions are. They affect us throughout our life and can lead to really some severe consequences as we get older. So a simple mouth guard that properly fits will help tremendously at preventing head concussions. So if you're getting into sports, we can help you with that as well. What else is important to a good school year? How about being able to think? How about being able to function? How about being able to focus and to concentrate? Do you think that's important? Good, reparative, restorative sleep, very important to our children. I'd recommend trying to get into a habit of going to bed at the same time, waking up at the same time, so you get those circadian rhythms running the way that they should. You'll get much better sleep, much more restorative sleep. So can a little bit of sleep time make a difference? Real interesting study. If you want to find out where this study came from, I can give it to you. I don't have the name of the study, but there was a study of high school students, A, B, and C students. So what was found was that your B students typically got 15 minutes more sleep than your C students. And then when we compared B students to A students, we found that A students got 15 more minutes of sleep than the B students. So that was suggestive that amount of sleep certainly affects our ability to focus, to concentrate, to function, to retain memory. So absolutely, sleep, very important. So these are some back to school tips. I hope this is beneficial. You're welcome anytime you come to our office. We're happy to see your children, family. Just give us a call here at Marquez Integrative Dental. Thank you.